For a special Halloween Martini Monday, Mindy and I went to Eureka Springs, Arkansas, and stayed at the 1886 Crescent Hotel. It's said to be one of the most haunted hotels in America. It is a beautiful hotel, and it sits on the top of a mountain with great views. After we got checked in and looked around a little bit, we went up to our room. It's a spooky place. There's one creaky old staircase. It's a beautiful place, though. The room is very nice, a little spooky. And then we headed straight up to the top floor because that's where they keep the alcohol. On the top floor you have two choices for bars. The top of the crest has drinks and desserts. It's an outdoor patio, partially covered from the rain. And the bar is where you can get drinks to go. We had a couple of drinks called Therapy. After a couple of drinks, we went on the haunted hotel tour where they took us down to the basement morgue. One of the most gruesome scams ever took place in America. Norman Baker opened up a cancer hospital where he guaranteed to cure cancer. They still have a lot of the original elixirs and stuff he made from, I don't know, watermelon seeds or pumpkin seeds or some crap that he injected into people, and he was not even a doctor. So if any place was ever haunted, it should be this place. Afterwards, we went right back up to the top floor, and we found some drinks called Autopsy. They are really good. Happy autopsy?
Happy autopsy. Go to the morgue and get an autopsy.
I knew this. Wow.
There's pineapple, grenadine, vodka.
It's got a lot of stuff in it.
Good.
It's hard to pinpoint the flavors, but I know there's a bunch of them in there.
Yummy. Scare away the ghost.
While we're at the Sky Bar, we met our new best friend, Scott. He's our new best friend because he pours alcohol into classes with style. And Mindy told him she likes martinis, and could he surprise her? He didn't know it was her favorite martini when he made her a lemon drop.
So the first one is the sour. This one is the Space Goose, which is the filter. And that's the grapefruit IPA. And that's the
Okay, thank you.
We're at the Sky Bar at the 1886 Crescent Hotel. And I have a spooky drink. Tom is so tired of that. I have a martini. It's Martini Monday at the most haunted hotel in the United States.
That's pretty cool.
It is, yeah. I'm having a lemon drop. Hey. Ghosts like lemons. That was good. Smell that. Mm.
Smells like I'm getting ready to clean the floor.
No. Okay, so
And I have a beer flight.
does it live up to its name?
Yeah.
Sour. Let me see.
My brother Kyle.
I think a goose pissed in your cup.
But they took his balls off today. And I was like, you take balls off, like, it's not like he's
More sour than your lemon drop in it.
Lemon drop is a good sour sweet mix.
You know?
So that's a goose.
I knew it was coming.
It's got to be better than that one. How's the goose? Oh, it smells good. Smells pretty good.
Really?
Well, I like light beers. Like I like a Stella. So the light one's really good.
Stella!
I think you just needed a drink between that one.
Yeah, that's why I'm going to try it again.
I like that one. It smells really good.
That's going to be my 12 to 5.
Okay.
That's the one I wanted. It's called the Little Wrecker. And it's a grapefruit.
Mindy wanted a little wrecker.
Oh, smell that.
You
That
have to
smells
be
good.
careful about how you say that.
Oh, it's good. That one tastes like a beer. Do you like that one?
Better than those two.
I'm a little afraid of that one. It looks very stout.
It's a porter.
A porter. It's a dark beer.
Scott, what's a goose?
Space Goose. It's a unfiltered IPA. Yeah. It's the one that made me. Well, you mentioned with the Blue Moon. It was kind of cloudy like Blue Moon. I mean, was that probably hoppier than Blue Moon?
It's different.
Yeah.
They're all different.
Yeah. Did you like the porter? One thing, yeah, when you get to the darker ones and then go back to the lighter ones, it's going to be, you know, it kind of
Ooh, I like that one.
emphasizes the difference in that.
Cleanses your palate or resets it or something.
Kind of. Like when you're tasting wine, you
I
know,
like
you
that
start
one.
off with lighter wines and then you go to
Yeah.
heavier wines. Like if you start off with the cab
Yeah.
and then you come back and you try to drink something like a Pinot Grigio, it's just, you know, it just takes a while to get.
Yeah. I didn't think I'd like that one. I like it. That's good.
Oh, and it's good. Porter. Did not like those two.
This is the grapefruit one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that one.
When they say sour, they're not kidding.
Well,
No.
yeah, I like the sour. I'm not. My favorite beer, just in general, is Sierra Nevada Pale Ale. You know, it's kind of, in my estimation, just perfection. You know, I mean, it's citrusy.
What is it?
Sierra Nevada Pale Ale.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of like a reference standard for American style. Anyway, it's kind of hoppy compared to a Coors or something, but it's also got kind of a citrusy thing. It's just so well done. But I'm not the biggest hothead. I'm not the biggest fan of all the IPAs. I like them mixed.
I do like that one. I'm really surprised. I didn't think I would like the dark beer.
Pretty good.
Would you like to try this? It's spooky good.
Ooh.
Still waiting to see a ghost on Martini Monday. Maybe if I drink enough, I'll see a ghost.
After drinking that tastes a lot better.
Does it?
Do you like the lemon drop in it?
Oh yeah. I don't mind that one. It's the Space Goose. I'm drinking beer. I'm really surprised. Martini Monday with beer. Because it's spooktacular. You enjoying the dark beer?
Yes, sir. I'll get you.
Ah, we're in the ghost hotel and you went to the dark side.
And the hotel does that, so
Oogie boogie, oogie boogie.
they do alcohol.
So we're at the Sky Bar, which is at the top of the Crescent Hotel. We just had a good meal. We had a crescent calzone and some chicken wings.
Couldn't sit out on the patio.
Well, I'm still gonna want to sit out on the patio. We're waiting for the rain to pass over. I got a bottle of champagne in the room.
So gonna try it.
If there's a ghost in my room, I'm not gonna hear it tonight. We'll try this one again.
What was it?
Well, it's the little wrecker, the grapefruit one.
You guys have a great night. Thank you. Thanks for coming in, you too.
No.
No, not for you.
Reminds me of orange peel.
But you like orange.
Not originally. I'm from
But I think you like oranges in your.
I like oranges. I don't like orange peel.
well, it's grapefruit probably for the grapefruit one.
Yeah, it's grapefruit. It's a little too tart.
I like grapefruit. I don't like grapefruit peel. So you from here, Scott?
Just got finished with the ghost tour. Left the morgue, had an autopsy.
We had a few more of those delicious autopsies. That's when we decided midnight was a great time to go for a walk around the grounds of this haunted hotel. You see it?
Yeah, is that a dog? I hope it's a dog.
It's a deer. We weren't really too scared until a deer came running up on us. It's the loudest deer I've ever heard. In the morning, we went down for a breakfast buffet, and Mindy celebrated our survival with an Ozark sunset, sparkling wine, pineapple juice, and a splash of grenadine.